What's going on, guys? This is Chris from Subimods, and I'm here today with our GR86 and our BRZ. In the short time that we've had these cars, we've had the opportunity to install a variety of different exhausts from various different manufacturers. Today, we wanted to compile all the video clips and the sound clips that we had of the exhausts that we've installed together and put it into a video, and we decided to rank them from loudest to quietest, just to give you guys an idea of which exhaust may be right for you and which one you would want to buy and install on your GR86 or BRZ. All right, so getting right into it, the loudest exhaust that we have tried out on both of these cars, in our opinion, would be the AWE Track Edition exhaust. Here is a sound clip of what that sounds like on our BRZ. Loudest exhaust that we installed on our BRZ here would be the Tomei Extreme Type 80 titanium catback. So that is a single exit exhaust, typical Tomei titanium construction, very light and a very large canister at the back. We didn't get the chance to drive around too much on that exhaust, but we did have it on and gave it some revs. So here's what that sounded like. Moving down the list here, the third loudest exhaust in our opinion, right up there with the Tomei, would have to be the AWE Touring. So that is what we currently have on our GR86 here. The Touring is very similar to the Track. It just features two mufflers coming out the back and makes it a little bit quieter than the Track, but still has a great sound. So this is what it sounds like on our car. Next up, we have the R1 Spec single exit catback from Remark. This exhaust is definitely the middle of the road here on our list. It's not the loudest, definitely not the quietest. Gives the car a good tone, but we'll play some clips for you here and you can make that decision for yourself. Next up is the newest to the market on our list. This exhaust would be the MBRP Armor Pro Series. We just recently tested this exhaust on our GR86, and this is definitely a great exhaust for a daily driver. Lets you hear the engine really well, but doesn't drone very much at highway speeds. So here's what that sounds like on our GR. Next up on the list is the first exhaust that we installed on our BRZ back when we got it earlier this year, and that exhaust is the Faction Fab Premium exhaust. That's a dual exit exhaust. This is another great option for daily driving. In my opinion, this exhaust sounds very similar to the stock exhaust, but with just enough engine noise that you want to hear when doing some spirited driving, but also you don't want to annoy your neighbors every day or have too much drone while driving. So check it out. This is what it sounded like. Finally guys, rounding up our list is the Kakimoto Regu 06R catback exhaust. So this exhaust unfortunately isn't available on our site right now, as it does have limited availability in the United States, but we were able to get our hands on it. This exhaust was designed for maximum performance from the FA24. It definitely is the quietest on our list and may even be quieter than the stock exhaust, but we're gonna hop in here, give it some revs, and let you make that decision for yourself. Thanks again for watching, guys. You can find all of these exhausts, except for the Kakimoto, available on our website. If you have any questions, always feel free to email or call our sales team. We're always here to help. Have a great one, guys.